Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to decide on the best email marketing platform for your online store? Klaviyo makes it simple to create beautiful, effective emails that grow your business without the stress. Tune in to find out why choosing Klaviyo is a no-brainer, especially if you're just starting out. And stick around until the end for some free resources to help you get started. Hi, friends. Welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast. My name is Liesel, and in this little corner of the internet, I share all things email marketing for e commerce stores. Spend less than 15 minutes with me each week, and I'll help you turn store browsers into loyal customers by transforming your email list into your most profitable business asset. Whether you're new to email marketing or just need a confidence boost, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. I remember when I first built my online store. I had zero formal training on how to build a website, let alone how to market that website. And in the beginning stages, there are so many new skills you have to learn, and funds are tight. Like many of you, I relied heavily on free resources, Googling everything, and sifting through a sea of conflicting advice. The constant decision making was overwhelming. But the thing that stressed me out the most was figuring out where to start with marketing. Social media seemed like the easiest option, but getting traction there was painfully slow and unpredictable. And everywhere I turned, I kept hearing, the money is in the list. But let me tell you, I had no clue how to even get started with email marketing. Honestly, it felt like it required a level of tech skills I just didn't have. I dragged my feet on email marketing for way too long. And do I regret it to this day? Absolutely. My friend, I know it might seem like a lot to handle right now. And some days you might feel like sticking your head in the sand and asking yourself, what have I done? But let me tell you, your day is coming. At first, Klaviyo felt overwhelming. But once I took the time to dive in and learn its ins and outs, it all just clicked. What I discovered is that Klaviyo is not only powerful, but surprisingly easy to use once you have a system in place. And here's the best part. Email marketing with Klaviyo is now the least time consuming activity in my business. And once everything is set up, you can truly set it and forget it. Plus, it has the highest ROI of anything I've ever done. And I've got the data to prove it. Now let's talk about how Klaviyo works. First, Klaviyo is a unified platform for seamless marketing. Now, what does it mean when we say Klaviyo is a unified platform, and why does that matter to you? Essentially, with Klaviyo, you can manage all your customer touchpoints, email, SMS, and push notifications, and even reviews, all in one place. This means you don't have to juggle multiple tools or waste time trying to make them work together. It's seamless, and that saves you time and headaches. Now, if you're just starting out, you might be thinking, this isn't relevant to me yet. But let me tell you, having those features and not needing them yet is so much better than needing them and not having them. Because switching from one email platform to another after growing your list to tens of thousands of subscribers will be overwhelming and disruptive. And that's why I always recommend starting with the most powerful platform from day one. And without a doubt, that platform is Klaviyo. I too have experimented with all the different platforms, switching from Klaviyo to MailChimp to everything in between, but I always ended up coming back to Klaviyo. You are going to grow your business, my friend. And trust me, it's better to have a tool that can grow with you. Klaviyo has no limits. It's designed to scale alongside your business, allowing you to layer on advanced features whenever you're ready. And whether that's 6 months or 6 years down the line, they've got you. The second thing is effortless campaigns with those built-in tools. But it's not just about scalability, it's about simplicity. Klaviyo is built to make email marketing effortless, even if you're not a tech wizard. Their drag and drop editor makes creating professional, beautiful emails easy and approachable. And if you're not sure where to start, Klaviyo has you covered with a library of pre-built templates and automations. If you need a welcome sequence, an abandoned cart email, a post-purchase flow, these workflows are already set up for you. All you need to do is tweak them to match your brand. It's a massive time saver and takes so much of the guesswork out of getting started. The third thing is that they have data-powered personalization. Now, what really sets Klaviyo apart is its ability to use data to create truly personalized experiences for your customers. It doesn't just let you send blanketed emails to your list, but instead it tracks customer behavior, like what they're browsing, what they've purchased, and how they're engaging with your emails. And it uses that information to send messages that feel tailored just for them. For example, if someone browses a product on your site but doesn't buy, Klaviyo can automatically send them an email featuring that exact product. Or if a customer hasn't purchased in a while, Klaviyo can trigger a win-back email to re-engage them. These kinds of personal touches don't just drive higher engagement, they drive more sales. And the fourth thing is their real-time insights and analytics. The best part is you don't have to guess whether your efforts are working. With Klaviyo, they give you real-time analytics and insights that show you exactly how your campaigns are performing. From open rates to revenue generated, you can see what's working and where there's room for improvement. And another thing, you can actually compare your account to other accounts in your industry. There's nothing more motivating than seeing your Klaviyo attributed revenue climb and knowing that your email marketing is directly contributing to your business's success. At the end of the day, Klaviyo isn't just another email marketing platform. It's a tool designed to help you build meaningful connections with your customers, streamline your strategy, and set your business up for long-term success. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to scale, Klaviyo is the platform that will grow with you. And I'm saying this even though I'm a Klaviyo partner. I didn't start out as a Klaviyo partner. I started out as an e-commerce store owner. And I only became a Klaviyo partner because I saw the results. And I am forever grateful to Klaviyo for what it's done in my life. Now, let's talk about the cost because I know that's often top of mind when choosing a platform. And on the surface, Klaviyo might not seem like the cheapest option out there. But here's the thing. Cheaper isn't always better, especially when it comes to marketing tools. With Klaviyo, the focus isn't on saving a few dollars up front. It's on delivering a return on your investment that's worth every penny. What's even better is Klaviyo offers a free plan that's perfect for anyone just starting out. Here's what you get for free. You'll get 250 email sent per month, up to 500 contacts, which is plenty to get started. You'll have email templates and the drag and drop editor so you can create beautiful campaigns right away. You'll have basic segmentation tools to target your audience more effectively. You'll have access to pre-built automation flows like welcome emails and abandoned cart reminders, and full integration with your e-commerce platform, even on the free plan. This means you can start seeing results without spending a dime. And when you're ready to scale, Klaviyo's pricing grows with your business. You only pay for what you use. And as your email list grows, so does your ROI. It's a platform designed to be flexible and accessible, even for beginners. When you invest in Klaviyo, you're not just paying for email and SMS tools. You're paying for a platform that helps you turn every touch point into a revenue driving opportunity. For example, Klaviyo's advanced segmentation will ensure you're sending the right message to the right person, increasing your chances of conversion. And the platform's built in analytics let you track exactly how much revenue your campaigns are generating. Here's a question to ask yourself. If you pay less for another tool, will you still produce the kind of content that drives revenue? Or will you need to invest in multiple platforms to piece together the same functionality? Klaviyo eliminates the need for a patchwork of tools, which means you're saving money and maximizing efficiency in the long run. It's not just about the upfront cost, it's about the ROI, and Klaviyo delivers. Let's clear up some of the most common misconceptions I hear about Klaviyo. These are myths that might be holding you back from taking the plunge. So let's set the record straight. The first one is that Klaviyo is Shopify only. A lot of people think Klaviyo is exclusively for Shopify users. But that's just simply not true. While Klaviyo does have a powerful Shopify integration, and I'd argue it's the best option for Shopify stores, it also works seamlessly with platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, and many more. In fact, Klaviyo integrates with over 350 tools. So no matter what platform you're using, it can fit right into your tech stack without missing a beat. The second one is that Klaviyo is just for email. Yes, Klaviyo started as an email marketing platform, but it has grown into so much more. And they keep growing. It's actually pretty mind-blowing. Today, it's a full-fledged customer data platform that includes email, SMS, push notifications, AI-driven tools that you're going to love, and even product reviews. This means you can manage all your customer touchpoints in one place, making your marketing strategy more seamless and effective. The third thing is that Klaviyo is limited to e-commerce. While Klaviyo is a no-brainer for e-commerce businesses, it's not limited to that space. It's also a powerful solution for other industries like hospitality, gyms, education, and restaurants. For example, restaurants can use Klaviyo to integrate with booking systems and streamline messaging with customers. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for any business looking to improve customer engagement and streamline their communication strategy. My business is the perfect example of a non-e-commerce business that uses Klaviyo, because my email marketing system is obviously Klaviyo, but I have a coaching and consulting business. So if you sign up for my newsletter, the link will be below, then you're going to see that in motion. So even though I'm not connected to a Shopify store for this business, it's still super powerful and still the tool that I use because of its advanced capabilities. And another misconception is that Klaviyo is only for small and medium-sized businesses. In reality, Klaviyo scales beautifully, supporting businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to enterprise-level brands. And whether you're just starting out with a small list or you're managing a multi-million-dollar company, Klaviyo can grow with you. It's designed to adapt to your business needs at every stage. Now, let's talk about real results, because nothing speaks louder than proof. Major brands like Skims, TaylorMade, and Stanley 1913 rely on Klaviyo to power their marketing. These are household names that trust Klaviyo to connect with their customers and drive sales. If it works for them, it can definitely work for your business too. But it's not just about the big brands, because Klaviyo serves over 143,000 paying users across a wide range of industries. That number alone is a testament to the platform's effectiveness, versatility, and ability to deliver results. In my own business, Klaviyo has been a game changer. I've seen firsthand how its tools simplify marketing while delivering incredible results. For example, after implementing flows for a client, their email revenue skyrocketed, accounting for over 30% of their total sales in 2024. And here's what I love most: the satisfaction of seeing that Klaviyo attributed revenue number climb. It's tangible proof that the work you're putting in is making a real impact on your bottom line. And that is super inspiring and encouraging, because sometimes I just get so frustrated not being able to track the ROI from my social media efforts, especially because it takes so much time. And I bet you can relate. But if you're ready to see what Klaviyo can do for your business, you can sign up for a free account today using the link below. And if you have a Shopify store, you can grab my free Shopify integration checklist to make sure you don't miss a beat. If you need a checklist for another platform, just let me know and I can get that to you as soon as I can. You can do this, my friend. I know email marketing feels intimidating at first, but believe me, it's only overwhelming until you actually start. Once you take that first step, you'll see just how simple it can be. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Truly. Until next time, happy emailing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to grow your e-commerce business and simplify your marketing. And if you're ready to dive deeper, remember to grab the free guide and check out these videos next.